This is the Chattanooga snowstorm of 2026. I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in Chattanooga. It's supposed to have an ice storm today throughout Monday, I think, and the town's basically half like, yeah, it's gonna storm. The other half is like, seriously guys? The most snow we had since the 1980s was last year, and that only lasted like 2 days. So, I'll keep you guys posted.
It doesn't even feel like ice, it's like snow. There's a Cold Watch and Pensacola, whatever it's called.
Yeah?
Wait, you're videoing me?
Yeah.
Hi? Bro, it's not just us that has the... Dang, look at my phone, bro. Like, there's so many droplets on it.
Yeah.
But it's not just us that has the ice storm now. Where do I put my phone?